If a garden hose leaks at the faucet connection or at the nozzles connection, you don't have to throw the hose away. It can be cheaply and easily repaired. There's a male connector on the end that attaches to the nozzle. Examine the end and make sure that it is round and not damaged. This one's a little out of round, but it still works. These often get abused and stepped on, and if it's too far out of round, then you'll have to replace the connector. A new connector is not very expensive, and if it's a good quality hose, then it's worth replacing the connector. This washer is in poor condition. You could find an O-ring at the connection. I'll use an O-ring pick to remove the old washer. A flat screwdriver can also be used. Just take care not to damage the connector. If any bits of washer are stuck inside the connector, gently scrape them away. Don't damage the inside of the connector. If the connection between the faucet and the hose leaks, you'll be doing just the same thing. The female connector on the hose also has a washer. The washers are usually called garden hose washers and are commonly found at garden centers or hardware stores. If the connector being replaced was known to be leak-free at one time, then replace it with the same kind of seal. Put a little bit of dishwashing liquid around the edge of the washer. Then push it into the connector. It may not seat all the way, but if you get it in there most of the way, you can use the hose end to seat it the rest of the way. The connection only needs to be made hand tight. All that you have to do is compress the washer so it makes a good seal. If after the washer is replaced and the connection still leaks a little bit, get some plumber's tape, wrap it around the threads about 3 or 4 turns. You make sure you wrap the same direction that you would turn the nozzle. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name Know How Now to find other videos, and thanks for watching.